Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss part 1 of the pair of words from CSS English paper of the year 2008. So let's start. Mitigate and alleviate. Mitigate means to make something less severe, harmful or painful. यानी mitigate का मतलब है किसी चीज़ को कम शदीद या कम नुकसानदेह या कम तकलीफदेह बनाना है. Its synonyms are diminish, alleviate, lessen and reduce. Example sentences: planting trees can help mitigate the impact of climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide. Alleviate. It means to make a problem or suffering less severe, to provide relief. यानी किसी मसले या तकलीफ को कम संगीन बनाना या रिलीफ फराहम करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. Its synonyms are ease, relieve, mitigate and lighten. Example sentences: the medicine helped alleviate the patient's pain and discomfort. Persecute and prosecute. Persecute means to subject someone to hostility or ill treatment, especially because of their race, religion or beliefs. यानी किसी को दुश्मनी या बदसलूकी का निशाना बनाना, ख़ास तौर पर उसकी नस्ल, मज़हब या अकायद की बुनियाद पर. Its synonyms are oppress, harass, victimize. Example sentences: the minority community felt persecuted due to the discriminatory laws imposed against them. Prosecute. It means to initiate and carry out legal proceedings against someone, typically in a court of law. यानी किसी के खिलाफ कानूनी कार्रवाई शुरू करना और उसे अंजाम देना, आम तौर पर अदालत में. Its synonyms are charge, sue and indict. Example sentences: the Attorney General decided to prosecute the case against the alleged white-collar criminals for financial fraud. Popular and populace. Popular means widely liked or admired by a large number of people, commonly accepted or approved. यानी लोगों की एक बड़ी तादाद की तरफ से बड़े पैमाने पर पसंद करना या सराहना, आम तौर पर कबूल या मंजूर शुदा. Synonyms are well liked, admired, in demand, trendy. Example sentences: the movie became popular for its engaging storyline and impressive performances, attracting a broad audience. Populace. It means the general public, the population of a specific region or a country. यानी आम आवाम या किसी मखसूस इलाके या मुल्क की आबादी. Its synonyms are public, citizenry, community and population. Example sentences: the new policy received mixed reactions from the populace, with some expressing support while others voiced concerns. Compliment and complement. This compliment means a polite expression of praise, admiration or approval. यानी ये तारीफ़ या मंजूरी का शाइस्ता इजहार है या तारीफ़ या मंजूरी के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. Its synonyms are praise, commendation, flattery, acclaim, admiration. Example sentences: she received a lovely compliment on her presentation skills, which boosted her confidence. Compliment. This compliment refers to something that completes or goes well with something else. यानी इससे मुराद ऐसी चीज़ है जो किसी और चीज़ के साथ मिलकर मुकम्मल हो जाती है. Its synonyms are accompaniment, supplement, match, enhance and complete. Example sentences: the red wine was a perfect complement to the rich flavors of the cheese. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.